What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have this 2024 Toyota Tundra 1794 edition, and man, I love this spec. It's absolutely beautiful. The inside, the outside, you can't go wrong. Now, what do we have going on this thing today? Well, we have a 5-inch BDS suspension lift kit with their 2.5 Performance Elite shocks. After that, we're gonna be moving on to our wheel and tire package, where we have the fuel Cleaver wheels in a 20x9 with a +1 offset in a gloss black and milled finish. Ending it off, we're gonna wrap those wheels in 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. So let's hop on in the truck. Zach's gonna get wrenching, and we'll see you guys later. Well, guys, here it is. The Tundra is out of the shop. Zach killed it when it came to installing this 5-inch BDS suspension lift kit. The fuel Cleaver wheels and the Nitto Ridge Grappler tires, it's all exactly what the customer was looking for. But that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing the transformation of this 1794 edition Toyota Tundra. I know I did. And as always, leave a like, comment down below what you thought about this build, and subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the KHC family. I'll see you guys in the next one.